Hi there! Welcome to our channel. Learning languages by listening and practicing. Let's start.
Dialogue 1, Grocery Shopping Plans. Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm good. Thanks, Amy. I'm just making a list for grocery shopping. Do you need anything?
Actually, yes. I need some fresh vegetables and fruits. What's on your list?
I'm planning to make a vegetable lasagna, so I need tomatoes, zucchini, spinach, and onions. And of course, some mozzarella cheese.
Sounds delicious. I'm thinking of a fruit salad, so I'll grab apples, strawberries, and grapes. Do you know where they keep the fresh produce?
Yes, it's usually in the first aisle on the right. Let's head there together.
Dialogue 2, Comparing Prices.
Hi, Emily. I see you're checking out the cereal aisle.
Hey, Mark. Yeah, I'm trying to find a good deal on cereal. I love starting my day with a bowl of it.
Me too. Have you checked the prices per ounce? It can make a big difference.
That's a good point. I usually go for the ones on sale, but I want to make sure they're not just on sale, but also a good value.
I compare prices using this app on my phone. It shows the price per unit, so you can find the best deal.
Oh, that sounds handy. Mind sharing the app's name?
Sure, it's called Price Tracker. It's been really helpful for me.
Dialogue 3, Dietary Preferences.
Hi, Jennifer. I'm trying to find some snacks, but I want to go for healthier options. Any suggestions?
Hey, Alex. Well, there are plenty of choices. Do you have any dietary preferences?
I'm trying to cut down on sugar and include more protein in my snacks.
In that case, you might like the protein bars in the health food section. They have various flavors, and some are low in sugar.
Great. I'll check that out. Do you have any favorite healthy snacks?
I like the mixed nuts and dried fruit in the bulk section. It's a good combination of protein and natural sweetness. Dialogue 4, Deli Counter Dilemma.
Hi, Lisa. I'm planning to make sandwiches for lunch this week. Any recommendations from the deli counter?
Hi, Chris. The turkey and roast beef are always popular choices. They also have a new smoked chicken that's really tasty.
Sounds good. Do they offer samples?
Unfortunately, they don't. But you can always ask the deli clerk for a small slice to taste.
Thanks for the advice. I'll go for the smoked chicken. What about cheese? Any favorites?
The aged cheddar and Swiss are delicious. You might want to grab a bit of both and see which one you prefer.
Dialogue 5, Checkout Chit Chat.
Hi, Michelle. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hi, Daniel. I've been good, just busy with work and life. How about you?
Same here. I'm grabbing some groceries for the week. What about you?
I'm trying a new recipe, so I needed a few ingredients. Have you ever made homemade pizza?
I haven't, but that sounds fun. What toppings are you planning to use?
I'm thinking mushrooms, olives, and maybe some bell peppers. I love experimenting with flavors.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.